So here's the thing, Tesla and the code just don't go well together. So here's some quick tips and tricks to get the most out of your Tesla this winter. Hey, can I get another jacket? When your car battery is too cold, a snowflake icon will appear. Battery power and regen braking will be limited while this icon is on. Once you drive for a few minutes, the icon will go away. It's a good idea to precondition your car by using the Tesla app before you drive, so your battery power and regen braking are normal. Make sure your car is plugged in, then tap charging, and schedule the departure time. The car will then schedule charging to complete before you leave to reduce energy consumption and costs. It also automatically starts climate control so the cabin is nice and cozy. When you check on your car with the Tesla app, your car uses energy to wake itself up from sleep mode. During the winter, try not to check the Tesla app often, so get off your phone and sip a little hot cocoa. Leave your Tesla plugged in when it's not in use. This helps your battery retain the heat it needs to operate efficiently, conserve energy, and support regen braking. As the temperature drops, so does the air pressure in your tires. There's a sticker on the inside of the driver's door with the recommended tire pressure in the winter. Tesla typically recommends between 42 and 45 psi. If you frequently drive in snow, install winter tires for better performance and control when driving. You can purchase them directly from Tesla, but for a cheaper deal, there are plenty of manufacturers that sell tires that are just as good. Once your cabin is heated, lower the cabin temperature and use your seat heaters instead. This will help conserve energy and improve range. In all Tesla models, enabling chill mode helps conserve energy by limiting the power of the acceleration. During the winter, I know it's hard, but drive at moderate speeds and limit frequent and rapid acceleration. Use windshield washer fluid rated for cold temperatures. This will keep your windshield clear and free of ice. When you're expecting snow or ice overnight, or whenever you may leave your car in the elements for a while, put your wipers in service position. This makes it so much easier to scrape your windshield in the morning. The Model 3's door windows are frameless, making it a little weaker and can be a problem in freezing weather. You can apply a rubber seal protectant such as a brand 303 or WD-40 to prevent it from getting stuck. You just need to clean the rubber first and apply, focusing on the parts that touch the windows. If you're not a do-it-yourselfer, Tesla also offers an anti-ice window coating treatment to help break ice buildup on windows. It just costs a lot more money. You can apply the same product you use for your windows to the crevices of your door handles to try to prevent as much ice buildup in them. But if they are frozen, make sure you don't have anything on your sleeves that can scratch the surface. Then, bump the handle with the end of your fist in a circular motion until the ice is broken and the door handle moves. If you have an older Tesla, like just a few months old, your charging port doesn't have a defrosting capability. A quick fix is to put a hand warmer into the port for about 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure you clear autopilot sensors and cameras of snow, ice, mud, and dirt before driving. You may lose autopilot functionality if they are covered or iced over. Deactivate the mirror autofold in your control settings. If the ice and the snow builds up around the mirror, the gears in the mirror may break as it's trying to open and can't. If your mirrors are already frozen, you should defrost them. Then manually open and close your mirrors to restore mirror autofold.